Hi guys, this is Imamul Haque and today I will show about how to create navigation drawer activity with fragment calling in Android Studio. For that purpose, you have to create a project for navigation drawer activity. Select project name from here, nav and next, and select minimum API level. Here I select 4.4 which is KitKat, and then next, and then you have to choose the activity type. Here you have to choose navigation drawer activity instead of empty activity, then next, and then finish. For time saving, I have already created this, and here is my activity. It is opened. Whenever you create and choose navigation drawer activity, then you have get one Java class which is your main activity.java and 4 XML class which is 4 XML file. One is activity main which is that, and another is app bar main which is this, and the third is content main which is this, and the fourth is nav drawer activity which is this. Now you have to create two fragment to view this page. For creating fragment, you have to click here from new and then fragment. Then you have to choose blank fragment and select the fragment name. Choose the fragment name MESSAGE which is message fragment, and untick this include fragment factory methods, no, and include interface callback which is also untick. Then finish. Then my message fragment is here, and you can get a layout of this fragment. Now create another fragment. From here click on new tab and then fragment and then blank fragment, chat, and untick this 2 button, then finish which is this. Now you have to integrate two fragment in your main activity. Here is your main activity. Here all the functions are already done. It is your floating action bar. It is your navigation drawer. First you have to find view by ID which is navigation drawer class, and it is your object, and then find view by ID by link purpose which is your, and here is another override method for on back press. Then on create menu for creating menu button, and here is another override method for on selected items for menu items. Here I have to create or merge the fragment from here. At first you have to set the title from there set title, which is message fragment I get. Then create the message class object, message and message. Then create the fragment manager, which is this, and then get support fragment manager, and then you have to choose the fragment name for replace fragment, then commit for start fragment. Then else if, which is second fragment, that is chat fragment. You have to create the fragment name, I mean the activity name, which is chat class, and object of the chat class is CHAT small, and then you have to create the fragment manager class also. Then for next line you have to create the same line which is declared above, begin transaction dot replace r.id.fragment. R is a resource class of Android and id is the inner class of resource, and fragment is the id of fragment. And then you have to set the commit method for start your another fragment, and then you have to design the XML page, which is your layout file. Contentment is your XML page. You have to set a fragment layout here, then set a height and width which is match parent, and set the ID name, that is fragment, which I merged there. Here it is, and it is your floating navigation button which is already created, and it is toolbar for menu item which I've already done here. And then it is your drawer layout. In drawer layout there was include a navigation view design wizard. In navigation view design wizard you can get a navigation bar, and it is a nav header. Nav header is your profile part for a profile view. Here you can see a image view for profile image, a text view for profile name, and also text view for profile email. Now your navigation drawer activity and fragment calling is complete. Now it is time to run. Okay, let's start. It is Gradle build running. I think it is done, and installing apping process is running, an activity is launched. Yeah, here it is. It is your full activity, and this part is your navigation drawer part, and it is your floating navigation bar or floating action bar, and it is for setting, and which is called here on create option menu, and I create two fragment, which is this is message fragment, and my second fragment is this is chat fragment. So this is complete. Thank you for see this. Thank you again.